It's been over an hour now since the individual responds. You can see that after I mentioned to them the date that I received the item, they end up going blank. They go dark and no longer answer me. Multiple email IMs to ask for help and nothing, absolutely nothing. So I went ahead and filled the return refund because the unit is not compatible and they're asking me that I need a ticket. However, I can't get a ticket because nobody responds and wants to be on a video chat with me. So it's not fair. I went ahead and added the interface module, go again, add the harness. I want a refund for my unit for CarPlay. Doesn't work. Put in the module, add, put in the interface, write in the comments that I've reached out to them multiple times or YouTube is not even up to date. I go to next on this and it does not work. Takes me right back to the RMA department, which is preventing me from being able to proceed forward. Again, refund, interface doesn't work. Attach the NavTool picture, attach the harness. That is a refund for the 3-year warranty. I want a refund for the actual unit, and I cannot get anything. Again, comments, paste what I've been putting in. I've typed this 3 times, and I decided to copy paste it now. Go to next, right back to where I started. This is horrible. Again, over here, NavTool, Messenger, I've stated to them that it's not fair. I'm trying to do the return and fill out the form and it won't work.